Twitter for Business, 10 Reasons You Should Set Up Twitter Business Profile. As a business owner, determining which social media site is appropriate for your company becomes quite critical. Because Twitter is such a popular social media site, it attracts a lot of businesses. Let's see some important reasons why you should be present on Twitter as a business. 1. Twitter marketing is the social currency. Wait, what is social currency? It's essentially the knowledge that people possess and share with others that makes them appear cool. Water can both boil and freeze at the same time, for example. Isn't it cool? Having a presence on Twitter is similar to having social currency for you and your clients. You're already behind if you're not using Twitter for Business. You can brag about your Twitter business profile. Since you can immediately connect with your consumers on Twitter and push more leads into your sales funnel, and your customers because you are easily accessible to them and they are satisfied with your service on Twitter. 2. It is open. Twitter's goal as a social media platform has always been to encourage open conversation and make it simple to interact with other members of the Twitter community. On Twitter, almost every interaction your prospects have with their competition is open, and every conversation your audience has with their followers is open. This is a goldmine of customer insight. 3. Two-way communication with your Twitter followers. Twitter, like every other social media platform, allows for two-way communication. So, no matter what you post on Twitter, your followers will undoubtedly react to it, and they will let you know in the comments. This is a fantastic opportunity for companies to perform a variety of things, such as execute marketing campaigns, polls of public opinion, distribute educational materials, make your audience aware of your company's culture. 4. Twitter is a real-time social media platform. Twitter allows you to have an open dialogue with your prospects and leads, just like you would with friends on your phone. One of the most major advantages of using Twitter for company is this. Instead of exchanging emails with your consumers over several weeks, Twitter allows you to communicate with them in real time and connect with them on the spot. In terms of customer service, this can be a huge help in resolving issues for your consumers. This will undoubtedly improve client satisfaction because you will be able to fix problems in minutes rather than days by exchanging emails back and forth. 5. It's simple to identify and target customers. If you're still unsure about why you should use Twitter for your business, consider this point. Because of Twitter's transparency, identifying and targeting customers is a breeze. You have everything at your fingertips, including people's interests, websites, and profiles. It assists you in establishing context before to approaching or even targeting your consumers. 6. Drives traffic to your website. 47% of the people that visit a Twitter profile also visit the website linked to that profile. Amazing, right? 7. It is one of the most effective customer service platforms. What do you do if your best friend asks for your assistance? You call them because it's the quickest way to contact them and fix their problem. Because everything on Twitter happens in real time, having your presence on the platform is a huge plus when it comes to customer service. 8. It is heaven for marketers. Twitter provides a wealth of information on customers that your marketing team can readily access and use. It can be a valuable tool for creating customized adverts for various goals such as increasing downloads, increasing website visits, and so on. Twitter has all of the features that marketers are looking for in a social media platform. Because it is so open, you can strike up a discussion with anyone and look at their profile to see whether they meet your ideal consumer character. 9. It's simple to expand your market reach. You can literally call anyone and chat about anything with a cell phone. Similarly, with each new product you produce, you'll gain a new set of customers who will utilize it, and you can track them down on Twitter. The nicest part is that you may communicate with them right away without having to wait for them to notice you. 10. Numbers don't lie. Enough talking. Let's have a look at the numbers. Twitter is already being used by 65.8% of businesses to promote their products and services. On Twitter, an estimated 1.3 billion users have signed up. Twitter is used by 74% of incorporated 500 firms in 2013, and 377 Fortune 500 organizations have a corporate Twitter account. Almost all of your rivals are present. You should be as well.